So I think what is needed is that we really understand why these risk factors pose a great burden on women as compared to men. Actually, I'm now saying I'm now sort of already assuming causality, but all the work I've done, I presented at the ESOC comes from observational studies, and even though we adjusted for a range of confounding factors, we cannot prove causality. So we need to dive further into the causality through new methods such as Mendelian randomization techniques, for example, that are better suited to assess whether these sex differences are causal. And if proven to be causal, then we also, of course, need to figure out what the underlying mechanisms are in order to be able to also come up with guideline recommendations and recommendations for clinical practice on how to annihilate, I suppose, the sex differences. So I think it's both proving causality, or at least assessing causality in different ways, but also figuring out what mechanisms are involved, and that requires not only more epidemiological studies, but also, I suppose, more preclinical studies to further understand how stroke differently develops in women as compared to men.